It's new. Crock Pot Express Crisp. Your all-in-one solution for pressure cooking and air frying. With 15 one-touch programs, the Crock Pot Express Crisp combines 10 common kitchen appliances in one. Choose pressure cooking to cook extra tender dishes up to 70% faster. Attach our separate crisping lid for a crisp oven finish using the same appliance. Or for crunchy, healthy bites, choose air fry, which uses 99.5% less oil. Create your favorite recipes any way you like. The new Express Crisp from Crock Pot. Quick, flavorful meals with a golden crisp finish, all in one pot.
You've told us that you have questions about your slow cooker's digital controls, so we went right to our Crock Pot brand team to get you all the answers. So let's take a closer look. There are actually only 3 main types of slow cooker digital controls: Countdown, Smart Pot, and Illume touchscreen technology. In this video, we'll focus on the Countdown slow cooker digital controls, but you can also find similar how-to videos just like this one for the Smart Pot and the Illume touchscreen technology slow cookers. But right now, let's get cooking and show you how to make the most of your Countdown digital slow cooker. While the physical controls may vary by model, all Countdown control panels always have 2 arrow buttons and a digital time screen. To get started, fill the slow cooker at least half to 3/4 full with your meal ingredients for optimal cooking and then plug in your slow cooker. Select the high or low cooking temperature as indicated on your recipe by pressing the Select button. To set the cooking time, press the time arrows to scroll through the timed cooking options. The time can be set in increments of 30 minutes for a total cooking time of up to 20 hours. Once set, the time will begin to count down in 1-minute increments. And here's a quick tip. Don't cook on the warm setting, which is only for keeping already cooked food at the perfect serving temperature. When the cooking time has completed, your slow cooker will automatically shift to the warm setting and the orange light will illuminate. But remember, it's not recommended to keep your foods warming for more than 4 hours. And that's it! You're ready to enjoy a delicious meal cooked in your Countdown digital slow cooker. To turn the Crock Pot slow cooker off, simply press the off or power button and unplug the unit from the outlet. We hope these tips will help you to enjoy effortless, delicious slow-cooked meals for years to come. See below for a link to download an information sheet with details discussed in this video.
Cook delicious meals up to 70% faster with the 10-quart Crock Pot Express Easy Release Pressure Cooker. No need to fuss with oven mitts and kitchen utensils to keep your hand away from the hot steam. The Easy Release steam dial makes releasing pressure simple and stress-free. Combine 9 common kitchen appliances in one. Easily prepare any recipe on the menu using one versatile appliance. You can even sterilize. Choose from 15 one-touch programs for delicious meals at the touch of a button. The new 10-quart capacity easily fits larger cuts of meat, perfect for entertaining or meal prep. Also enjoy convenient features such as Delay Start and the status bar, which tracks pressurization and preheat progress before cooking begins. For home-cooked meals, fast or slow, let Crock Pot Express handle the pressure of mealtime.
One appliance, 5 ways to cook. From Crock Pot, the leading slow cooker brand, comes a versatile multi-cooker to make it easier than ever for you to prepare whatever's on the menu. Brown and saute, slow cook, roast, bake, and steam. Plus, effortlessly switch from one function to another at the touch of a button for recipes that require multi-step cooking. Like when preparing a delicious braised chicken dinner, you can first brown, then slow cook until tender and flavorful. The steam function ensures tasty, mouth-watering results for a variety of foods, from succulent shrimp cocktail to a healthy side of steamed asparagus. Baked breads and cakes turn out moist and delicious. Just set to the temperature your recipe calls for, up to 450 degrees. With the Crock Pot multi-cooker, roasts are always cooked perfectly tender and juicy for every day or special occasion meals. Enjoy simple, mistake-proof cooking with convenient digital display and one-touch controls. Plus, the 6-quart nonstick inner pot and lid are dishwasher safe to make cleanup easy. The Crock Pot multi-cooker is so versatile. One appliance, 5 ways to cook.